Welcome back to another van build week. I've been to collect some free pallets from the local area and then I gave them a good sanding down. These are going to go as the carcass in my van, and look at that, they look so beautiful. I wish I was actually making a table out of them. And then I took my van to get one of the leaky windows fixed from a camper van conversion company, Flame Conversions. In the meantime, Caterpillar sent me some boots to wear during my build, which I am so in love with. And I painted my overalls because, well, they were looking boring and I just wanted them to look funkier on a day-to-day basis. I put together all my electrical components onto a board and then the van returned and the window looks amazing. Way better than when I did it, fresh, clean, all full of stuff. And then I got some metal filler as a recommendation from one of you lovely lot on TikTok to fill a couple of the holes. Works amazing. Now these back two panels are where my head and feet are going to go, so to save space I haven't used Celotex like I have everywhere else and I use soft insulation. Here is a hack: if you're doing the vapor barrier, get some double-sided sticky tape, put in all the areas where there's a curve and then it will stick lovely and flush and flat to all the seams. Look at that, all the way. Ended the day finishing the vapor barrier on this side, and then I woke up to treat the wood. This is to protect them from rot because I don't know where the pallets came from. It's just an extra precaution really. Then I went back down to the van to finish the vapor barrier, and that's as much vapor barrier as I can do for now until I cut some holes in the side of the van. Here is my electrical components. Follow for more of the build. See ya!